Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying your device and the location changer app version so you avoid incompatibility. Once done, grant location and background permissions. The app needs continuous access to simulate movement. Make sure to back up current app settings and record your real GPS coordinates for rollback. Next, open the app and choose a simple static mode to test. This first actionable step prevents accidental location leaks and ensures the tool can override system location immediately. Now pick the target location. Search an address or drop a pin on the map to lock coordinates. Then select mode, static to stay put, route to simulate travel, or joystick for manual control, because each mode affects apps differently. Once chosen, tweak precision and movement speed to match real-world patterns. Rapid jumps can trigger anti-fraud checks. Finally, set a hold duration and save the profile so the app applies those parameters consistently across sessions. Activate the saved profile and immediately verify the new location in Maps and your target apps to confirm success. If the change is not detected, clear the target app cache or restart the app. Sometimes processes cache old coordinates. Make sure mock location or developer settings remain enabled if required. If problems persist, revoke and regrant permissions, relaunch the location changer, or reinstall it. These steps resolve most conflicts and restore proper system-level control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.